Hello everybody, and this video here is ridiculous and is nothing at all. If I just only want to point this video to one person who I'm working with, and if you are not the guys that I really mentioned for, you just ignore this video and watch the other videos. Well, I just want to point out that how easy that you can using the uh, website that you can creating them by yourself. I mean, by the free coding that some other people do, which is called CMS. And the CMS is a free code or free source code that you can download is for using for free, and somebody's cheating that you. Well, how's it? The first one for the first free CMS I want to show you. The one is called WordPress.org, and you just only go along the Googles and you type WordPress here, and then you can enter to this site at the first link. And what I do now, well, my system here use Windows 8 for instance, and I set up the program called VAMS. At this program will running will set up the database and the web server, for instance, for me. That you can see in the bar right there. This will return the green color and show the VAMs, and is not covered in this video here. I'm not going to show you how to install and setting up. There is with the Windows 8, you have a lot of things to do with that. But anyway, it's not very difficult. Well, let's see how to download it. Just only click this link, and that will take you to the download pages here. And the file is 6 megabytes on the zip there. Now, click download again. And the dialog will ask you where you want to save this file, the zip file here. Just save it on my desktop there, and I click save and wait for a moment. Okay, seems like our download there is almost done. That cool. Now my download is done. Let's go to see where we save this file. And the WordPress is right here. The only thing you have to do when you want to install it on your systems, that would be like to make it like the localhost like that. Okay, first things, just unzip that, and you will see this in here. This is all the things you need. The whole things in this. I'll rename that to something else. I just copy this for now. Copy it, pass it right there, extract the file. There we go. Now we get everything's in here now, and the next thing what we're going to do is I just press the shift key here to open a new Windows. On this one I go to VAM, I go to build, and I will part of the folders in there. And now we're ready to set it up. Before we run the setup scripts in here, we have to create the database first. Now let's go to create the database. Just running your code, not the code, just go to the PHP myadmin and create new database there. I'm going to name my database as WordPress. That easy. And the collations, I'm going to use a UTF-8, which is the global, the general CI here. Which is you don't have any problem with the Chinese or Slovakians or Thai, including because I am Thai. Now I click the create here. My database now is right there. Now we're ready to rock and roll on this one. Next thing I'm going to do is just type in localhost WordPress. Try again. Now enter. It doesn't seem to be the build vconfig.php. That will be the first one here, and you don't have to worry about this one. As you can go along just fine. Create a configuration file, and you can click on this link. Now, database name, usernames, and database password, database host here. You can do a prefix for later on when you upload this on your real server environment. So the next thing, just let's go there. I have database name WordPress set up the earlier times, and the usernames here going to be root. I don't have a password, so I just leave those blank here, and localhost and this prefix there. Now I press the submit button. Let's see where we're going. Okay, that seems like we are in very good state now. Just run the installation. Well, this is just a script. Alright, information need the site title. The site title here you can input anything. That will be my site. Usernames will be password. I'm going to put 1 2 3 4. That very weak, so let's try my passwords like that. Let's see if it's go weak. There. Now I got the very strong password there. It's had to be matched. So now my password is very strong. Emails. We need to. You can put anything in here. Just admin at mysite.com. Okay. Now is installation. The install WordPress. There we go. On Windows 8, it seems like this one go very slow, but if you use Linux, that will go very easy. Okay, now this seems like we are ready of the installation there. And now I'm going to log in for the first time using I have an admin and the password is secret. Alright, I'll click because this one is my own computer, so I can remember things in here. I'm not going to share this with anyone. Now go to login. This one is where you can customize your websites here. You can either do a new article, new post, or you can set up a lot of things in here. That is a lot of tool to using right there. And okay, now if I writing anything here, hello. This is my website. Welcome to my website. We really need you to oh man, what happened with my title here? Come to visit us. Okay, that's all. Now I quick grab there. Save grab. See what happened here. If I want to publish this, okay, now this has become right there, and now I can now I can publish this one. Okay, if I click this one, it will be previews in there. Okay, now I want to publish this to the first page. Let's see how it works. This one is how is it the WordPress, and WordPress news is very cool. Okay, where we're going now is just localhost and WordPress. Okay, I open another tab and I type localhost WordPress. I'm not very good with the laptop keyboard here. Do we get WordPress? Okay, now we get WordPress. Well, I think something wrong in here. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, the first page. Now this will be look like this. What you see right here. Okay, this is how the CMS will work. Sample page. Okay, now this is the free short code that you can download and use it, install it on your create your website for free. But this one is not really much of the features in this. I mean, if you need something like you need the sign up form, the booking form, and some kind of stuff like that, this guy cannot do it because you need to set up some more things. It's just only things that to write the contents into your websites here. Just you want to show, to publish to the other guys, the other people. But if you want the web application, you need to coding it by yourself to get what you need. And this one, what I do here, it is just only the concepts of you can have a booking. The customer can do bookings over the website here, and this is all the information that we need from the customer: name, last name, email, country, age, and sex, and hotel where they stay, and such a thing like that. And what happens if you tie something right here, not pass? So let's say, so what is actually that? But it's fail, it's return fail. So you can set to anything in this one. What if I type things that part there? So I need booking of 4 peoples and adult, 3 adults on the date 10, months, year 215, and the home by starlight there, just a normal one. This is the test. Okay, let's see what happened here. This is just a case of the customer. If they're going to a booking here, I put a booking. Okay, booking there is, yeah, I believe. Now if I this is tell you everything. Say how many people from the database that you can set to either booking for today or the next day. How many booking? How many people? How many kids? How many adults on the board? So this way you're not going to be mixed up with the put too much people on the board is overloaded. And if you have more than 4 records here, that will go to the other pages. Okay, this one is new. The new ones that we just inputted. If I clicked on this link, is will coming to the details of page here that is in the form there. But the user cannot fill can edit some things in here, but cannot do anything because it doesn't have the bottom here to submit the form, and this one is the price that they going to pay for 4 adults and 3 kids there. This is the price there. I don't know if because this is the things that I don't really understand for how to calculate the price of the customer, because it's quite mixed up to me. So to coding this, I need to know the logics first. Okay, now let's see, what if I am admin of this website? What if the case is I am booking, so I want to change all of this fields in here to tell the information for the customer that he is passed, he already paid here, they're going to be activated or already pays, anything like that. So I need to log in, and that will be the login right there, login form. And I'm logging, my name there and my password there. Now I go login. This one will pass you to the dashboard, dashboard there. I'm not going to worry about the design of this one because I just want to make the system going to be work first. Well, what we can do on this one, we can do a lot of things more. We can do the staff checkings, we can do a customer, we can do booking, we can do many things, even writing the stuffs on the websites here that everybody can see it. And also if we need a guest comment, we don't need to use any paper there. Now I go to customer link here, and what I do is the last bookings, this is right there. I want to tell the customer that when he has already paid, I need to put him at the activate or confirm. So by this way you can do. So this one is the status that when he already paid. And see, if I log in, I can see this bottom there. So when I press the bottom there, it will be saved, and this will be updated here that he has a confirms here. So when he print this out, when he print the whole things in here out to show our stuff, so we don't have a problem with the customer who already paid or not. So we don't have that problem at all. Well, if I log out now, just normal normal customer, normal users, and I see the same record again. See, you can see this one here is already confirmed, and again I cannot do anything right there. I cannot change anything in these forms again. Okay, that is the concepts of what is the web applications we going to do. We can develop on this one, but anyway I need the logics of this before I can coding the things. Without the logics, I don't think I can do right and what we need. Okay, database is a big things. When somebody talking about database, is I don't know, maybe for instance the guys doesn't even know what databases mean. Database is not a file. So what you do a single day right now is it the one single file that you cannot edit from the other computer at all. And imagine if somebody can get your file there, they even you secure it with the passwords in there, but you if they really knows about that, they can still see the contents inside of the file. But this one is on the server, and you can always back it up if anything's happen. And to come across the server is not that easy, and I don't think most people can doing that, and I don't think most people want to do that because it's very get a very big risk from is against the law. Anyway, is all my knowledge there. I just want to show you all just concepts about what I can do here. And now you can see is I don't know if maybe if I have a terms of this one, I can develop this is even a lot better than this. I can put a lot of content that the data, the flash data things. That one is think about the Google. See, the first pages of Google, they have nothing at all, and it's come very quick. Okay, so using a lot of JavaScript is not a good thing to using a lot of the JavaScript there, because it make your website feel very easy and very slowly to loading the page. I don't know, for myself, I would not going to wait for that long. Even in very interesting, it's very beautiful, but if I have to wait for very long times, I would not wait for that. Okay, so this is just short things that I want to show you on this one. I don't know if you do understand my concepts, but anyway, I see you guys tomorrow.